I'll tell you why you lost it. And it's one of four things. Please write down these four letters. P-E-T-E, Pete. It's a customer called Pete. And Pete's a tricky guy. Pete always has four main objections. Pete tends to object on price. Pete also sometimes objects around effort. It's too complicated. It doesn't seem easy, right? This is a bit of a hassle to switch, right? You guys know what I'm talking about, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Pete sometimes also objects to time. Oh, this takes too long, right? No, we need this now. Yesterday, all right? You know what I'm talking about, HID? All right, cool, right? Right? Objects to time. And finally, how long have you been doing this?
Business since 2009.
Okay, so this, okay, all right. Pete also objects to effectiveness, which is tied in a little bit. Effectiveness, as in, hey, the price is great. Yeah, no, the price is perfect, and it actually seems really easy, and you can do it quite quickly. Wow, I just don't believe it's going to work. I ain't buying it. Where's the proof that this will work? I don't believe this is the right solution for us. I don't think you fully get the scope of this project. I think you're missing something. I don't think this is the right solution for us. It's not going to work.
Do you think there could be anything beyond these four?
I would challenge anybody to come up with any objection that cannot in some way be fit into one of those four. Bring it on. Right? You ready? Into one of those four categories. So I worked with one group, and we actually brainstormed and shared about 10 different objections that all, upon reflection, fit into one of those four categories. Right? It could be around, we don't have enough stock, right? Well, again, that's an effectiveness issue, or it could also be a timing issue, right? You can't get the stock available in time, right? So they all fit within these four broad categories, but it just makes things nice and easy when you just think about Pete, right, as that customer. So my answer to your question is, so just think about that, and each of you please think about your last 3 lost deals. And it had to do with one of those four, maybe more, but at least one of those four categories of objection.